Hi, third graders. Today I'm going to show you what you'll be working on for the next couple of weeks for social studies. So we'd be moving into chapter 6, which is focusing on 3 different types of communities: mountain, water, and crossroads. So if you take a look at the slideshow, you'll have all the slides on the left-hand side, and this will be shared with you. Okay, so you'll have this in your shared with me folder on the side of in Google. And so you'll work at your own pace, similar to how we did the science ones. I created this for you so that you can kind of work ahead if you want to, or just take it step by step if you want to also. So you'll go down to the first slide here, which is the mountain community. And the first slide in each color-coded section is going to explain all of the work that you'll do in all of those slides. So for example, this is the mountains community that we're going to be learning about, Glenwood Springs, Colorado. And so you can see it's this orange color. So all the slides here that are in the mountain community will have orange, and the very last slide in each community will have a little activity that you're going to do, and I'll explain that to you now as we go. And if you can see, as I scroll down on the left-hand side, now I have the water community. They're all blue with that final poster at the end of the water community. And then the crossroads community is a gray color at the end then with the final poster. So you'll see that 3 communities we have, they're all color coded for you. So the first slide in every color explains the direction. So your job is to read the information about each community. So in this case, the mountain community in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. It tells you the exact slides that you'll read. You'll always have 2 questions that you'll answer at the very end of reading. The next slide after the work from the book is going to be a video. So you'll watch a video about the community. And then the last section is going to be the poster. So if you take a look, I have scanned all of our social studies pages and put them here in slides for you. So you can go ahead and read each of the pages. You'll see there are bold-faced words, there are headings, all the things that nonfiction texts have to help us understand the story. And then at the very end, there will always be 2 questions, okay? Please make sure you go back in the text. You can go through the previous slides that you've read to find the answer. Don't just go back from your memory of what you read. Go back and actually find the clues, okay? Now, this slideshow will be shared with just you. So I don't mind if you add a text box and take notes on the side if you would like as you're reading. That is fine. So then after the 2 questions and you've read, there will always be a video that you will watch. Sometimes for some reason the video doesn't show up in Chrome, so you may need to use another browser. And then at the very end of each community, there will be a little section for you to kind of design and create a poster about the community. So you'll go back in the pages and you'll type in the jobs that you found in the community. You'll also type in the city and the state. So for mountain community, it's Glenwood Springs, Colorado. And you can kind of move around your text box there. And then you'll insert pictures. And this actually at the top here, this tells you everything. You'll type the jobs, write the city and state, you'll insert a few pictures, okay? So I'll come up here to insert. And I always insert from the web. You can actually type in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, and pictures will come up. And maybe try to find some pictures about the things that you read about. And really the possibilities are endless. You could put a bunch of them in. Okay, so maybe I want to put I like this picture, the hot springs. So I click on it. It'll tell me to insert. Remember on the corners of your pictures where you want to drag to make it smaller. And you can just put this anywhere you'd like. You can add a text box and put hot springs because that's an important attraction that attracts people to Glenwood Springs. So you'll just continue doing that. You'll continue inserting a picture, searching from the web. Okay, so I have, and it usually brings up the same pictures that you had. Okay, I like this picture to kind of show the mountainous terrain. Okay, and then we'll insert that. Okay, and you can design it however you'd like. If you want to add a background to it or add, any other facts to it, It's really up to you what you want to do. Now, I also am giving you an option here. And if you read this section, it says that you may also recreate slide 7 on paper and draw and write the information. So if you do not like to design electronically through the slideshow, you can gladly draw me a picture and have mom or dad take a picture of your picture and send it to me. Or if you know the way that you can upload it in Schoology, you can also do that. So if you're more artistic in that way where you like to draw, I would love to see your pictures. I was relating this to our coal mine field trip. Remember when we came back from the coal mine and we drew pictures? You did an amazing job. So I know that I have a lot of artists in class, so you can gladly do the poster by hand if you'd like. Okay. So now if you take a look on the left-hand side, this color now, this is all finished. All the mountain community is finished, and you're just going to repeat with the next section. So you'll come down to water community. It tells you the information that you will read. This time it will be slides 9 through 12. Then you'll watch a video. Oh, I forgot these 2 questions you'll answer. You'll watch a video, and then you'll decorate your water community. And again, you can type in Seattle, Washington for your water community and find pictures from that. Okay? And then last, you'll have your crossroads community. You will do the exact same thing. You will read all the slides from your book, answer your 2 questions. I didn't find a video quite yet for this one, but you'll watch the video. And then last, you will work on your final poster. Again, all the posters can be handwritten if you feel more comfortable doing that. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I think that you'll find these communities really interesting. When I was watching the videos, I actually wanted to travel to a lot of the places. So I hope you find it interesting. And again, let me know if you have any questions or need any help with anything. Bye.